Welcome back to my channel. Futuristic concept cars are pushing the boundaries of automotive design, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek aesthetics to redefine mobility. These visionary vehicles showcase what the future of transportation could look like, integrating artificial intelligence, sustainable energy, and autonomous driving systems to create an unparalleled driving experience. One of the most striking aspects of futuristic concept cars is their design. Automakers are exploring aerodynamic, minimalistic, and futuristic exteriors that often feature smooth curves, bold lighting elements, and smart materials that change color or repair themselves. The interiors are equally revolutionary, focusing on comfort, adaptability, and advanced user interfaces. Many concept cars replace traditional controls with voice commands, touch-sensitive surfaces, and even holographic displays that create an intuitive and immersive cockpit experience. Electric propulsion is a major theme in these next-generation vehicles. As the world moves towards sustainability, concept cars are embracing electric and hydrogen fuel cell technology to eliminate emissions while maintaining high performance. Some models integrate solar panels or energy harvesting systems, allowing vehicles to recharge while on the move. The use of lightweight composite materials further enhances energy efficiency, reducing the overall carbon footprint of transportation. Autonomous driving is another game changer in futuristic cars. These vehicles rely on AI-driven systems, lidar sensors, and advanced radar technology to navigate without human intervention. They promise safer roads by minimizing accidents caused by human error and optimizing traffic flow. Some concept cars even incorporate modular seating, allowing passengers to face each other in a lounge-like environment while the car drives itself. Connectivity plays a crucial role in the evolution of these vehicles. Many concept cars are designed to seamlessly integrate with smart cities and personal devices, providing real-time updates on traffic, weather, and vehicle diagnostics. Some feature biometric authentication, customizing the driving experience based on the user's preferences, from seat positioning to climate control and entertainment options. Beyond technology, futuristic concept cars aim to redefine the emotional connection between humans and vehicles. Some feature AI companions that interact with drivers, offering assistance, conversation, and even emotional support. The goal is to create a car that is not just a means of transportation but an intelligent and adaptive companion. While many of these innovations remain in the prototype stage, they offer a glimpse into the exciting future of mobility. As technology continues to evolve, these concept cars pave the way for a smarter, safer, and more sustainable driving experience that will revolutionize the way we travel.